Hey, I want to share with you what Tomahawk.VC is in just 1 minute, starting now. Tomahawk.VC is an early-stage venture fund. We invest in your pre-seed, seed, or Series A round. In your pre-seed round, we invest up to $250K. In your seed round, we can write checks of up to $750K. And sometimes we get in on a Series A, and that's when we can invest up to $1.5 million into your project. We can either co-invest or lead your round, depending on how big the round is and depending on our time commitments. Typically, we lead about 3 to 4 rounds a year and we co-invest on the same amount of deals per year. We invest into B2B SaaS and decentralized finance ventures with a focus on global first teams. Global first meaning the team sets themselves up for global success from the get-go. One example could be that you are building your company culture so that it works not only for in-office local employees, but for a global remote workforce from the start. Our value adds are that we help with that particular part of your business. I've personally worked more than 12 years in a remote setup, and I have a few tips and tricks to share. We also help you raise follow-on funding from international investors. And then third, we always like to be there and challenge you, be your sparring partner, and participate on your journey. And with that, 3, 2, 1, that was Tomahawk.VC in just 60 seconds. If that sounded interesting to you, then please head over to Tomahawk.VC and use the video button to send us your pitch. And with that, stay curious and I'll talk to you soon. Hey, if you like this video and you would like to do me a huge favor, then please smash that like button and subscribe. That's great for the YouTube algorithm and more people will see it. It will also make sure you will get to see all the upcoming videos on essentialism and entrepreneurship. And if there's a question or topic you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments.